What's up, guys? Today we're checking out this mini portable projector. This one's by the brand Fatork, and it's one of the smallest projectors that I've seen. As you guys can see, it fits perfect in my hand. It's very easy to carry, it's rechargeable, and it's a 1080p projector. So what we're gonna do today, we're actually gonna turn the camera around, we're gonna show you how it came packaged, and then we're gonna try and put it to the test and see how good it works. So we're gonna get started. So here's the box it came packaged on. As you guys can see, not much going on. It says Fatork mini projector. Not much going on, nothing on the sides, only in the back we get some info right here. So let's unbox it. Inside the box we get the projector itself that you guys seen already. As you guys can see, this thing is small. It fits perfect in my hand. If you take a closer look at the projector, it has the lens right here, has like an adjustment knob right there, has a nice little grips right here in the bottom and a little hole so you can mount it to like a tripod, headphone jack, power button, USB port, power in, and HDMI right there, and some touch buttons right here. We also do get a quick start guide in the box, and we get some other stuff here, so let me pull that out. So everything in the box, guys, we get a small little tripod that attaches to the bottom. It's perfect because I hate always trying to adjust these to a level that I like it. We get the charger, which is for the projector right here. We'll go right here, DC in. It is rechargeable, so it does have a rechargeable battery, which is perfect for on the go. HDMI cable right here. We also have a controller and the manuals, as I mentioned. So let's try and test it out. So pretty much to get started, guys, we have to grab our projector. We need to hold the power button right here. Since it's rechargeable, we can use it without having it plugged in. It'll turn on in a couple seconds, as you guys can see, and we can actually connect anything via HDMI or have a memory card full of memory. And this is what it looks like. It's loading. It looks a little blurry on my side, but it looks a lot better up close. So it's not supposed to look like that, but it might be because of the light. But let's say we wanted to use the controllers. We would just go here. We're gonna use the casting mode. So we're gonna go down to screencast. It's loading, and then we're gonna go to iOS cast. And so as long as you have your device pretty much connected via Wi-Fi, we're actually going to connect to the Fatork iCast, and it should take a couple seconds, and now we're in. So as you guys can see, oh man, I disconnected it, so try and connect again. Takes a few seconds and we'll be in. So as you guys can see, we're in our phone and we're able to see everything. So let me turn off the light so you guys can take a closer look at how it looks. All right, guys, so we're screen mirroring straight from my iPhone into the projector. The projector is right here. And as you guys can see right now, we're probably at 60 inches of projecting screen, but we can actually grab this projector and extend back and walk back, and we should be able to get up to 100 inches without any problem. I obviously have a frame right there, so it's actually picking up the frame, but if we wanted to go closer, we can actually go closer. So right now I'm like right in front of my wall, but if we extend back, as you guys can see, it's picking up the image really nice, and we can adjust it a little bit more depending on where we're at. So once we set it up, we can actually zoom in and out. And grab a better image like that. So what I've gone and done now, we actually plugged in our MacBook. We have the projector right here in front of us, and we have it pointing right here at this wall. And it looks really good. As you guys can see, it is a 1080p projector. But one thing that I like is that it's portable. Right now we just have it running on the battery. We have one cable connected directly in front of the PC, HDMI. But if we wanted to, we can literally point this anywhere. We can make it bigger if we wanted to. Check it out. Let me pull it back. And we're making the screen a lot bigger, which looks really cool. And we can literally make it bigger and it still looks good, 1080p quality. And then we can literally point this almost anywhere. So I'm carrying it with my hand, as you guys can see. We have it in front of this window, but it still looks really good. And it's perfect for on the go if you want to set it up almost anywhere. So rechargeable, charge it up, take it with you, plug it in HDMI, or screencast from your iPhone or your Android device. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at this portable projector, one of the smallest ones that I've seen. Very cool because it's rechargeable, as I mentioned, has USB port, has the HDMI, and you can screencast, and it has built-in speakers. So we just want to show you this product. We really hope this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.